Now, your flash briefing from Channel 3 Eyewitness News.
Thanks for tuning in. I'm Eric Parker. We begin with our continuing coverage of the coronavirus outbreak. As hospitalizations in our state continue to fall, the number of confirmed COVID-19 cases is still steadily climbing. Right now, more than 35,000 people have been infected in Connecticut. More than 3,200 have lost their lives. But there are only 1,100 who are being treated at local hospitals. That number continues to drop, and health experts say that's some good news. Numbers from Yale New Haven Hospital and Hartford Hospital show there are now 6 cases of that mysterious child illness in our state that's possibly linked to COVID-19. And there's a 7th case that's suspected. Known as pediatric multisystem inflammatory syndrome, parents should watch for symptoms including high fevers that don't respond to Tylenol or Motrin, rashes, trouble breathing, redness around the eyes, and severe abdominal pain. The FDA, meanwhile, is expressing concern over Abbott's instant 15-minute coronavirus test. The test has been linked with inaccurate results that the test may return false negatives. It's used daily at the White House to test President Trump and key members of his staff, including the coronavirus task force. A former top government official charged with helping to develop vaccines for the coronavirus says lives were lost because he says the Trump administration ignored warnings in the early days of the pandemic. Rick Bright was ousted last month as the head of the Biomedical Advanced Research and Development Authority. He claims the crisis could get worse without a nationwide strategy and testing for distributing a vaccine.
All right, and weather-wise, after some early morning rain, we do anticipate some partial clearing. It's going to be a warm and muggy end to the week. Temperatures this afternoon top out in the mid to upper 70s inland, and if we get enough sunshine, we could reach or exceed the 80-degree mark away from Long Island Sound. Along the shoreline, temps top out in the lower 70s. Then, by say 6, 7 o'clock this evening, there's a chance for an isolated storm, but the main event in advance of a cold front. Tracking storms that will be working toward Connecticut after sunset, 9, 10 o'clock tonight. Thunderstorms likely weakening as they work toward the state, but they could produce some gusty, perhaps damaging wind. And that front is offshore, setting the stage for a really nice weekend. Tomorrow, Saturday, mostly sunny, less humid, highs in the mid-70s. Then near 70 on Sunday. We'll start off with sunshine. Clouds will be on the increase. Shoreline highs a little bit cooler, 64 on Sunday. Then rain arrives Sunday night into Monday with perhaps a tropical connection. Some of that rain lingers into Tuesday, then looking dry for Wednesday and Thursday.